Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another G-Shock video. This is a follow-up video to the unboxing of GA-B2100 that I've done recently. One of the things that many of you have been asking is how do I connect this watch via Bluetooth to my smartphone? It is pretty confusing because G-Shock has used yet another application for the GA-B2100. When you search for G-Shock in the App Store and Play Store, you are presented with three applications. The G-Shock Connected app, which I use for my GWFA1000, the GPRB1000, and next we have the G-Shock Connected app, which I use for my GBDH1000. For the GA-B2100, G-Shock has created yet another application that's called Casio Watches App. As you launch it, you are presented with the main screen where G-Shock shows you all the latest information about their upcoming watches, their Instagram posts, and all of those details are shown over here. When you select the My Watch section from the sub menu at the bottom, here you can register your GA-B2100. When you press the plus symbol, it will show you the list of watches that are compatible with this watch. That includes the MRG-B5000, GST-B500, MTG-B3000, and the GA-B2100. Let's go ahead and enter the model code for the GA-B2100, that is 5689, and then press next. Here you can choose which model you have. In my case, that's going to be the GA-B2100C. I'm going to choose that. Here you can provide additional information like your purchase date and also the watch name, customize the watch name, and press register. Now we need to enable the connection from your watch to the smartphone. To do that, we have to press and hold the mode button over here just like this, and once it goes into the connection mode like just how it is done over there, your smartphone application will automatically detect the watch. So the way to connect your smartphone to your watch is pretty seamless. It works really fast. So once you have done that, now we can go ahead and start looking into some of the infos of your watch. Here we can see the current battery level, which is pretty low on my watch, instruction manual, and here are some of the applications that some of the settings you can apply to your watch directly from the application. So starting with an alarm over here, so you can choose multiple alarms. There are 5 alarms, including signal, which means when you turn it on, you will automatically hear a beep on the hour every single hour. Next, we have the timer mode over here. So timer mode, it's just going to count down for a set period of time. And then we have the reminder, very useful for remembering any anniversaries or important dates. So it only records a particular date, and on that date, it will notify you. And then next we have world time. And then home time, which is your current home time. And then we have got time synchronization. So basically whatever the time that your phone has will automatically be replicated on your watch. All right, so that's your home time. Manual hand adjustment. So in case you see the time shown on the digital display versus the time on the analog display does not synchronize, you can do a manual hand adjustment in this app. Next, we have the phone finder feature. So you can select the different music that you want the phone to play when you try to locate it using your watch. And then we have the watch settings over here. So under the watch setting, there are sub settings over here, starting with the key sound. So if you like to on or off the sound when you press the buttons on your watch, you can do it right here. Next, we have the light. So you can choose the duration when the light actually turns on. And then we have the watch display. You can choose different formats here. So 24-hour display, the settings of month and date in different orders, and the language of the day of the week. Power saving mode, if you like to enable power saving mode on your watch. And then connection time with the app. So basically the connection time with the app is after a certain period of time, the connection with your smartphone will be automatically terminated to preserve the battery of your watch. Apart from that, there are additional tutorials which you can actually see directly from the application itself. So that pretty much sums up how the app works together with your GA-B2100. That's a quick video on how to use it. I just wish G-Shock unifies the experience of your app into a single application instead of having to keep multiple applications for its users. Do let me know in the comments if you do face any issues while setting it up. I'll try my best to answer them for you. Till next time, stay safe and I'll see ya.